Okay, so we got this situation. Let P this be a point on the hyperbola this. So we have a point on the hyperbola. If the normal, if the normal at the point, if the normal at the point intersect x-axis at this. Okay, so normal at this point intersect x-axis at 9 comma 0, and then we have to find out eccentricity. Okay, now look at this. So how we will approach, try to understand. So first at this point we will find equation of tangent. Okay, so you know that for tangent it is t equals to 0, correct? So x1 by a square minus y1 by b square equals to 1. So we got equation of tangent as this. So can you please tell me the equation, sorry, slope of tangent? It is coefficient of x, means we will write this thing into y equals to mx plus c form, and this m will represent the slope of the tangent, correct? So the slope of tangent will be 6 by a square into b square by 3. Okay, so this thing done. So we got slope of tangent. You know that there is one relationship between slope of tangent and slope of normal, that is mt mn equals -1. So can I say that slope of normal will be equal to a square by 3b square, that too with sign minus 3 to the 6. Okay, that's wrong. So we got this situation, correct? So we got slope of normal. So can we write down equation of normal? So equation of normal will look like what? I will be using slope point form to write down equation of normal. So y minus 3 upon x minus 6 equals, so according to my opinion the slope should be this, but according to them slope is this, minus of a square by 2b square, correct? So according to us slope means equation of normal should be this one. Now try to understand this part. Like look at this, they are saying that the normal is passing through this point on x-axis. Okay, so means y will be, means this point will also be satisfied by the equation of normal. So in place of y we will write 0. So we got minus 3 by 3 equals minus a square by 2b square. So this thing on, this thing on. So can I say that we got a square equals to 2b square. So we got this situation. Now we have to calculate the eccentricity, correct now? So for eccentricity we will find out the relationship. You know that this is horizontal hyperbola because this is 1, it is not -1, correct na? So it is horizontal hyperbola, so we will take help of horizontal ellipse, that is 1 minus e square. In horizontal ellipse a square is bigger, so a square will stay inside, b square will wait. So this is the relationship between a, b and e in case of eccentricity, horizontal ellipse, but we are dealing with horizontal hyperbola. So what is that change? The change is we have to replace b square with minus b square and things are done. So can I write minus b square, and in place of a square can I use this 2 times b square, 1 minus e square. b square gone. So we got minus of 1 by 2, 1 minus e square. So e square will be equal to what? 1 plus 1 by 2. So it is 3 by 2. So we got eccentricity square as 3 by 2. But we want what? Eccentricity of the hyperbola. So the eccentricity is root of 3 by 2. Okay. I hope the idea is clear. Okay.